Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from Fever FM.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ अदा एंड यू आर लाइव ट्यून्ड इन टू योगा बूट कैंप. ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund presents Yoga Boot Camp powered by Bisleri. Visit shop.bisleri.com. Banking partner Kotak Mahindra Bank. Associate partner Merino Laminates and हेल्थ पार्टनर हेल्थ शॉट्स. अच्छा, ऐसा है कि अब हमने न्यूट्रिशन की बात की और जैसे कि मैंने आपसे कहा था कि हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाली हैं वन ऑफ द टॉप फिटनेस इन्फ्लुएंसर्स ऑफ आवर कंट्री एंड शी इज़ समवन जो कि हर एज के व्यक्ति को मोटिवेट कर सकती हैं, इंस्पायर कर सकती हैं, क्योंकि ये आपको ये बताती हैं, सिखाती हैं दैट फिटनेस इज़ नॉट जस्ट about the body. It's a connection between the body, the mind, and also the soul. So let's welcome, without wasting any more time, Padmavati Iyengar on Yoga Bootcamp. Welcome.
Hi. Thank you. How are you, Ada?
I am amazing. Thank you so much for joining. ये कैसा लग रहा है कि हंसी वादियाँ, ये खुला आसमां आ गए, हम कहाँ?
How lovely, how beautiful कि कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है और हम like we're traveling to nature.
बिल्कुल.
Beautiful, no?
And I think that's how we are in our best element when we are in nature.
Yeah.
And that's what we're enjoying. Yoga Bootcamp का day 2, Padmavati. We're so happy to have you.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
And also special welcome to everybody who's joined live हमारे साथ. अच्छा, ऐसा है कि हम शुरुआत करेंगे. Of course, हमारा previous session was nutrition. We spoke about how it's important to nourish the body. तुम जब अपना दिन स्टार्ट करते हो पद्मावती, व्हाट डू यू स्टार्ट योर डे विद? ये एक ऐसा सीक्रेट है ना जो मतलब इट्स लाइक एवरीबडी वांट्स टू नो व्हाट यू स्टार्ट योर डे विद.
This secret, if I tell you, it might shock some of you, but I start my day with breathing. When I say breathing, yes, I mean conscious breathing, because मुझे लगता है कि breathing, breath एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हमारे साथ जब से हम पैदा हुए तब से है, but it's the one thing जो हम granted ले लेते हैं. Like we don't know how we breathe. So when I start my day with conscious breathing, when I say conscious breathing, what I mean is पूरी तरह से सांस को अंदर पेट तक और फिर पूरी तरह से बाहर. So what this does is sort of resets your mind, resets your body. It sort of gives you like a boot time, you know what I mean? Boot space. Like जब device को start करने से पहले you charge it. So this is like a charging before I start. So I think I start my day with just conscious breathing.
Conscious breathing.
Yeah.
आप में से कितने लोग हैं जो conscious breathing के साथ अपने दिन की शुरुआत करते हैं? Please comment करें. Live आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं तो also share this because we want this to reach as many people as possible because health is the real wealth. पद्मावती, तुमने कब से decide किया था कि तुमको इस राह पे चलना है? Did you always know that you want to be, in the world of fitness, या तुमने शुरुआत की थी with something more, corporate या otherwise and
Well, honestly, I am a sort of person that loves trying new things since the time I was very young. तो जब मैं छोटी नहीं, जब मैंने अपना स्कूल और कॉलेज ख़त्म किया, I used to love dancing, so I was always very passionate about dancing, so that's how I started. I used to dance, and then another thing that I'm absolutely passionate about is connecting with people. Just interacting with people and just sharing experiences. तो वो एक चीज़ थी जो common थी with dancing being the body and connection being more than just the body. And fitness की journey मेरी शुरुआत हुई है technically 6 साल पहले where I started off with something called Zumba, और फिर उसके बाद I did a lot of other physical training, and then there was yoga. So I think my idea of starting fitness was because to feel anything, you need a fit body, you need a healthy body, you need a healthy mind. So I think it just adds to being a better human. If you're a healthy human, you just naturally are a happy human and vice versa. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I want to also remind everybody here and cut Padmavati here कि happiness की बात हुई है तो she is a happiness coach, she is a wellness coach, ये एक Zumba fitness instructor रही हैं, and of course ये somatic movement के बारे में मुझे बता रही थी when we were watching bootcamp live with you and talking behind the scenes. Padmavati, please tell us about somatic movement, and we know that it's something that hasn't really caught everybody's attention yet, but आप इसे incorporate करती हैं in your sessions, तो हमें बताएं इसके बारे में.
ओके सो सोमैटिक मूवमेंट्स ये साउंड एकदम मतलब टेक्निकल करता है या इट साउंड्स लाइक ओके आई हैव नेवर हर्ड ऑफ इट बट द होल आइडिया ऑफ सोमैटिक मूवमेंट सो it's not it's scientifically proven now that you know everything that your body however your body feels सारे disease जो होते हैं any pains and aches that you feel is related to how you feel inside your emotions and your mind so somatics is basically a study or you know it's a study of how your mind and body is related for example if I have to give you an example our body stores emotions and stress and memories since the time we were born if you you know there are so many things did you know this जब छोटे बच्चे होते हैं जब वो बहुत बहुत छोटे होते हैं ये अमेरिका में एक पूल है जहाँ पे they just leave the babies in the pool and the babies can swim because in the womb जब हम मम्मी के माँ के पेट के अंदर होते हैं we are sort of like floating so babies know how to float it's because their bodies know that somehow abhi jab jaise hum bade ho jate hain of course we forget it because there's so much other information that's also stored inside our head so somatics is basically a study of your relations of your emotions your mind and the body abhi jaise main bol rahi thi body store karta hai memories stress is something that our body definitely stores in different parts of the body and aajkal ke generation man since everything is digital we're always on our phones or on our computers so there's a lot of information when I say information hum log itni sari cheezein kaun kya kar raha hai and you know oh I have this meeting to attend oh I have to meet so many people I have to talk to so many people so there's a lot of information exchange so what happens is our body stores it usually around our neck our shoulders the back which usually gets tighter when you also sit in a certain posture for very long so somatics is understanding that and you know using the body to release anything that doesn't help the body does this make sense
it does और ये चीज़ especially important है because आज Monday है मंडे से हम किक स्टार्ट करते हैं इमोशंस को पाइल अप करना स्ट्रेस को पाइल अप करना बैठे रहना लैपटॉप पे एंड यू नो ऑफ कोर्स अ लॉट ऑफ अस हैव टू डू इट दैट्स द वे ऑफ लाइफ नाउ तो ये सारा जो हम कहते हैं ऐसे यहाँ पेन हो रहा है ओह माय गॉड थिंग्स राइट आई थिंक इट्स मेजरली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट
एब्सोल्युटली सो इट्स ऑल ये कहते हैं ना सारी चीज़ें इंटररिलेटेड होती नथिंग इज लाइक ओके ये फिजिकल बॉडी है मेरी फिजिकल बॉडी फिट है और फिर माइंड फिट है या नहीं एवरीथिंग इज रिलेटेड यू कांट हैव just a physical body and not be happy because think about it what is the point of you know working out burning calories and being fit physically having like six pack abs if you're unhappy if you're constantly worrying about things if you're constantly stressing if you combine that and you know use physical movement and exercise as a way to feel happier as a way to live a life that is more fulfilling because think about it the whole idea of having a body is for you to experience life no so and the intention of wanting to have a healthy body or a fit body ideally should be so that I can experience more अगर मेरी बॉडी हेल्दी है तो आई कैन एक्सपीरियंस मोर मेरी इमोशंस बेटर होंगी सो आई थिंक दैट्स द होल पॉइंट ऑफ यू नो हाउ एवरीथिंग इज interrelated
yeah Padmavati is also a yoga instructor Padmavati you've Zumba there is intense training I mean you give all sorts of that training अगर आप Padmavati का एक session करेंगे then you will realize it you know it comes on to like high intensity with breaks if I'm not wrong correct me if I'm wrong and then of course towards the end there is that lovely breathing and meditation session और अब तो मतलब yoga instructor भी यहाँ पे tell me one thing what is you know जो लोग हमेशा सोचते हैं कि यार ये ना पोजेस हमसे ना हो पाई
you know, I just so many of my friends do that कितने सारे मेरे friends हैं sorry
नहीं होता ये क्या है मैं मुझसे नहीं होगा and what happens is day 1 day 2 मतलब day 1 आप पहन भी लो एकदम बढ़िया वाले जो है ना एकदम योगा आउटफिट पहन के आपने नया मैट वैट खरीद दिया रख लिया फिर थोड़ा 15 मिनट सिर्फ फ़ोन पे उसके बाद सेल्फी लेके आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट डे 1 उसके बाद क्या हो जाता है जब आप सच्ची में करने जाते हो आसन तब लग जाती है वाट फ्रॉम द स्टार्ट तो यू नो फॉर पीपल हु सो न्यू एंड वो उनको मोटिवेशन नहीं मिलता ऑन अ सीरियस नोट खुद को देखकर कि इतनी फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं है तो क्या कहना चाहोगे फॉर पीपल जो आज से जिन्होंने ऐसा सोच लिया है कि योगा डे है आज से एवरी डे इज योगा डे उनको क्या कहना चाहोगे
I think about it like this. जब हम when we are babies, babies सीधा भागने नहीं लग जाते हैं. There's a process. You start one day at a time. Babies do one step at a time, one cry at a time, and one like hand movement at a time. तो I think it's very important to understand कि धीरे धीरे लेना है. और दूसरी चीज़ ये that what because आपने योगा की बात की, I feel yoga. I am so grateful that yoga touched my life. This is how I see it. I'm always going to be a student of yoga forever till I have this life. I think
there's so many people join us. You want to say hi before we go there?
Yes,
a lot
for
of people
sure.
who are live with us.
Hi, everybody. My name is Padmavati. Thank you so much for joining. We're talking about how sari cheeze, yoga, and since you also mentioned I have high intensity
Yes.
workouts, I have dancing, I have Zumba, I have so many things. How I see it is sari cheeze na Ada is related deep down. Because think about it, आप योगा करो या फिर आप कोई हाई इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट करते हो या फिर आप डांसिंग करते हो या जो भी करते हो, इट इज़ ऑलवेज because you want to feel something, right? It makes you feel something. For you, maybe a dance session would bring you that level of so yoga, the definition of yoga, I'll come to this again. So definition of yoga according to एक sage है महर्षि पतंजलि, जिन्होंने he was the one, he's also known as the father of yoga because he was the one that compiled the knowledge of yoga into a book called the Yoga Sutras. So his definition of yoga is yogas Chitta Vritti Nirodha, which means yoga is a way to stop the fluctuation of the mind until it reaches a point of samadhi. Samadhi basically is where everything is one. You are one, how you're feeling physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, everything is one. The state of flow, as they say, where you do something, you're into it, सारी चीज़ें निकल जाती, it's just you and everything is you. Does this make sense?
Yeah.
So yoga is a process of that. So yoga is not a pose. Yoga is a process to reach that state of samadhi. So while I was saying that how everything is related, for you it could be something else. I feel that as long as anything you do, आप अगर intentionally करते हो ना, आपको अपना reason पता होता है ना कि क्यों करना चाहते हो, it is technically, I feel it's easier to stick to it if you know why you're doing it. And then of course there is discipline. कोई कभी उठना पड़ता है यार, मुझे नहीं, अगर what if I don't like waking up early in the morning, पर कभी करना पड़ता है. And then you remind yourself of the reason कि आप क्यों करना चाहते हो. The stronger your reason is, the more likely you'll stick to so the motivation, मुझे लगता है कि motivation एक time तक शुरुआत में काम आता है and then उसके बाद discipline काम आता है. You need to keep reminding yourself, okay, why am I doing this, and if in case you find happiness, nothing like it. So it's very important that you even if you want to start, अगर काफ़ी लोग हैं, आज जैसे योगा डे है, बहुत सारे लोग शुरुआत करना चाहेंगे योगा से, they've never done yoga before, do it with the intention of the only thing I will tell you is with an intention of exploring it and seeing usme kya hai, what is it that it can teach me, what is it that I can learn from it, because in the end everything is, I feel, a way of helping you get through life.
Correct.
And experience life better. And experience, get more perspective on different things, be it a high intensity workout or yoga. Yoga again, I feel, is very different. So it's like a medium. So why would you not explore a medium? That I think that's that.
Yeah. Why would you not explore? बिल्कुल. So
Why
basically, want more and explore. ये मत आप खुद देखिए कि यार मुझे mark करना है आज से मैं कितना, मतलब how many days a week and how much is my progress. I think the fact that you're starting it is absolutely important. And it's also important not judge yourself. कई बार हम ऐसे सोचते हैं कि यार मुझे 2 हफ्ते हो गए योगा किए, मुझे कुछ नहीं हो रहा, या कोई बोलेगा कि अरे मैंने ये सही से नहीं किया. So a lot of times you tend to lack motivation because of that, but I also think that is because लोग अपने diet पर ध्यान नहीं देते because of that. तो ऐसा तुम क्या करती हो to make sure that your workouts, your yoga is in sync with your diet? तो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिससे परहेज रखती हो, ट्राई करती हो?
See, if you ask me, अगर आप मुझसे पूछोगे personally, I am very intuitive. I'm very instinctive because I have been working out for so long. तो मुझे I think I have this sense of listening to my body. this might sound crazy.
Listen to your body. ये
Listen
बहुत
to your
important.
body. Your body talks to
That's
you.
true.
You know, if you have the ears to listen to it, your body definitely tells you how does, again, coming back to somatics, how does your body tell you? अभी जैसे कोई fear, पेट में गड़बड़. What are the usual, things that you experience when you're experiencing fear? Heart race probably. पेट में थोड़ा ऐसे पेट में गड़बड़ हो रही है. Your गला सूख रहा है.
जब डर लगता है तो वॉशरूम भी जाना पड़ता है.
Exactly, to release. That's a good.
मेरे साथ
this-
होता है before exams, before interviews, I'm like running to the toilet.
Yeah. Your body wants to release something because it is preparing you for, like an experience that it's looking forward to also, and also fear that पता नहीं ये कैसे होगा, what is it that it has in store. So it sort of makes space. So that's also a way of, the body talking to you. So it's very important that you listen to your body. And once you listen to your body, आप ना एक मोटा मोटी अगर मैं एक ये दूंगी, you will automatically eat food the way that fills you and fulfills you, and you will not overdo something as a way of अरे यार FOMO is the word, fear of missing out. No, let me just ये है पूरा खा लो, पता नहीं अभी बाद में कब मिलेगा.
Especially buffets पे.
Especially buffets पे, I agree, and also mango season.
Oh,
Okay, let's not.
every season has its own.
Right. So it's very important that you listen to your body when your body is asking you to stop. That's me. So I have that. मैंने वो develop कर लिया है where I can understand, okay, my body doesn't like this and this is where I need to stop. But if somebody that is new, that doesn't have this, or they haven't been physically active, the only thing I will say is I think listen to your body is my
that
this
is
thing. I
true.
don't want to make it technical क्योंकि
Yeah.
इससे पहले एक nutrition वाली session थी. I don't want to make it into a nutrition session. Listen to your body.
Yeah.
And you.
On that note, it reminds me क्योंकि मुझे ना हाल ही में कुछ महीनों से ऐसे यहाँ पर the neck and shoulder pain had worsened. उसके जो bouts of pain ना बहुत ज़्यादा होने लगे थे और ये काफ़ी लोगों को हो रहा था. When I share it, I realized back pain हो, spine pain हो. Can we just quickly look upon it postures जब हम खड़े हैं? So this is posture, everybody. ध्यान से, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. वर्क फ्रॉम होम का माहौल है, आज योग डे है. योगा इज़ अबाउट postures, it's about strength and it's about breathing. तो भाई आपका posture अगर बैठने उठने आम जिंदगी में ही ठीक नहीं हो तो फिर योगा में तो फिर होगा ही ना, फिर कोई इंजरी हो ही जाएगी आपको. सो व्हाट आर द टिप्स दैट यू वुड गिव रोजमर्रा की लाइफ में आप अपना posture कैसे ठीक कर सकते हैं, एडजस्ट कर सकते हैं?
Okay, so a few things.
Yes.
Not a few things, actually, just two things. जो I think रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में जो regular अभी जो computers के अभी तो everything is digital. So since you're always in front of the computer, or somebody that has a regular life that is not into fitness or doesn't do a lot of yoga or doesn't work out, I think the only thing मैं उनको बोलना चाहूँगी is that दो चीज़ों पे आपको हमेशा ध्यान देना है. One is your breath, how you breathe. Yeah, I'll tell you interesting fact in yoga. They say that the longer you breathe, or the slower you breathe, the longer you live and the better you live. The faster you breathe, the shorter you live, because पता है बोलते थे that you have certain number of breaths given to you, and if you every day, and for every day especially now, since there is stress, what is the one thing other that you notice when you're fearful or when you're stressed? What happens to your breath? Do you breathe fast or do you breathe छोटा और जल्दी? So the imagine, so इतने में से already हमने इतना use कर लिया जल्दी breathe करने में. Then it's so a rat चूहा breathe somewhere around 80 breaths per minute. A whale would breathe somewhere around 2 or 3 breaths per minute. A human being ideally breathes around 12-18, but the best thing about being a human being is you can change that.
Yes.
The more you're conscious about it, you can change that. And the first thing I will say is make sure that you're breathing deeply. When I say breathing deeply, can we do this?
Yeah,
now?
let's do it.
Yeah. So when you inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. So when you
Inhale through the nose and
exhale through the
Okay,
nose.
acha.
So I want you to inhale all the way into the stomach. Let the air go all the way into the stomach, and exhale slowly. Let all the air come out. Ekdam dheere se. So it's sort of like your stomach is a balloon, and it expands as you inhale, एंड जस्ट नोटिस वो जो एयर अंदर जाता है, एंड देन एज यू एक्सेल let that balloon shrink, let your belly button go towards your back and go back. Now before we get into that, a few postural things that I would like everybody to remember is sabse pehli cheez, if you want you can close your eyes, if we'll do that. Starting with our feet. If you're seated, you can of course be seated, but if you're standing, since I'm wearing shoes, what I would ask you to do is your toes together, feet heels slightly apart. Yes. Okay. Now feel the earth, feel the ground with your feet. Okay, you're nice and firm on the floor, you can feel the floor. Nice. Your hands, I want you to open them up. Yeah. Also notice your chest slightly opens up as you open your arms. Nice. Take all your awareness on your forehead. If there's any tension around your forehead, relax your forehead. If there's any tension around your eyebrows, relax your eyebrows. अपनी आँखों को relax करो. These are the places that we usually store stress, जहाँ पे shrink होता है. अपने जबड़ों को, अपने jaw को, unclench your jaw. Just like open your mouth a little bit and then place it nicely again. Unclench your jaw. Now your neck nice and tall. Your shoulders down, away from your ears. Your back nice and tall. Imagine there's a crown that you're wearing and somebody's pulling a string from the crown of your head. Your back is nice and tall. Now all I want you to do is inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. Inhale all the way into the stomach and exhale all the way out from the stomach. Let the air go from the stomach to the chest, the throat, and then from the nose. Do this one more time, couple of more times. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Now as you inhale, I'm going to count till 4, and as you exhale, I'm going to count till 4. Okay, so inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. Inhale 2, 3, 4. Exhale 2, 3, 4. One last time. Inhale. Exhale. Whenever you feel ready, rub the palm of your hands. Feel that warmth. So what we're doing right now, there's something called pran, or the life force energy. Make a cup of your hands, place them gently on top of your eyes. Blink your eyes a couple of times inside that cup and slowly open your eyes. You feel your breathing different? You feel your breathing different? Automatically, right? This, I think, posture say, what I feel right now, what I have also noticed is because we are on our phones, there is a lot of information.
Okay.
And when there is information, हमारा दिमाग जो होता है ना वो हमेशा दौड़ता है. अच्छा अभी इसको क्या करना है, इससे क्या है, एंड देन अच्छा जब तक वो उसका कंक्लूजन भी नहीं आया, देयर इज अनदर इन्फॉर्मेशन, एंड देन उसका भी कंक्लूजन है, देयर इज अनदर इन्फॉर्मेशन, बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच ऑफ आवर माइंड इज ऑलवेज लाइक दैट. व्हाट दिस डज इज सॉर्ट ऑफ relaxes the mind. And then again, like rebooting, rebooting your system every once in a while. This is, I think, a magic technique that I do, and I have everybody, whoever I come in contact with, tell them to do कि अगर ये आप दिन में, अगर आप दिन की शुरुआत कर सकते हो ऐसे, and then in the middle of the day, evening, and then in the end of the day, just 4 days, 4 times, sorry, in a day, just automatically Do you feel different?
Yes, of course. मैं वही बोलने वाली थी कि for those of you जो सिर्फ ये देख रहे थे and did not try it, I think you must, because what's important is हम हमेशा सोचते हैं हाँ ठीक है कर लेंगे अभी मुझे ना ये कंप्लीट करना है, कर लेंगे. It took hardly a minute, you know. It took hardly a minute. वही जो एक मिनट जो एक और रील आप स्क्रॉल करोगे, जो एक और चीज़ आप देखोगे, आई थिंक दैट कैन वेट अ लिटिल बिट. और आप ये करें बिकॉज उसके बाद इतना ठहराव आ जाता है और अपने आप मुझे ऐसा लगता है कई सारे प्रॉब्लम्स के सॉल्यूशंस भी दिखने लग जाते हैं. यू सॉर्ट ऑफ गेट अ डायरेक्शन.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
If people want to know, पद्मावती, आपका अगर एक सेशन करें, प्लीज एक्सप्लेन कि how do you take them through your session and how can they, you know, be a part of your sessions?
Oh, okay. So how what I do, जैसे अदा बता रही थी कि मैं
हाँ.
काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें साथ में करती हूँ, बट अब जैसे शुरुआत होती है मूवमेंट से. वी शेक आर बॉडीज एंड यू नो ब्रीद इन अ सर्टन वे. वी रोल आर शोल्डर्स एंड शेक द स्ट्रेस ऑफ. अनदर थिंग दैट आई विल ऑल्सो से इज रोलिंग योर शोल्डर्स. क्योंकि अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ द सेम रीजन, या रोलिंग इट आउटवर्ड्स. इनहेल आउट, exhale down. Now inhale up, exhale back down again. This is another way to, you know, just sort of ease the shoulders. So we start with that, and then there is dancing. Then there is a high intensity workout, and when I say high intensity, it is going to get your heart rate up. It's going to burn a lot of calories. And we end it with a meditation, breathing, pranayam session. So it's like a combination of everything. It's for people that, you know, want to do yoga but also want to do like a HIIT or something intense, something that will, you know, make them sweat, something that जो जिससे लगेगा जहाँ पे energy ज़्यादा है. Again, having said that, yoga also has, you know, so it's a different sort of, you know, discipline. So I sort of combine the discipline of yoga, the best things about yoga, in movement and dancing and high intensity workout. So that's pretty much how the sessions are.
Absolutely. And in fact, अगर आपको कोई doubts है, please definitely comment. You are tuned in live to the yoga boot camp जिसका day 2 चल रहा है. And what a better day than World Yoga Day to actually be doing this.